what we are looking at here is a Casablanca Panama from 1995 in snow white. I got this fan for free off of Facebook Marketplace, and this thing is in very, very good shape. This thing is almost perfect. Little nick on the side of the blade there. But this thing is amazing. It uses an Emerson K55. Other than, it's amazing, but unfortunately all around top of the motor plate there, it's a little scratched up. But, I mean, you don't even see that when it's installed. It uses an Emerson K55, if I just mentioned that. Now the bearings are brand new, since the original bearings were seized almost completely. You can put a lot of pressure on the flywheel and you could barely move it. It's amazing how the motor didn't seize up, but it survived. It's got brand new bearings now. We're on the IntelliTouch control here. There's all the information. I think I'll just go through all 6 speeds. This fan will be up on eBay very soon, if it's not already by the time I upload the video. So for anyone who might be interested in purchasing it, it will be on eBay. Speed 2 here. Three. Very smooth operation. Here's 4. No bearing noise whatsoever. Here's 5. finally, speed 6. And here's spin down. And I think I will sell the control with it this time around. This is the control right here, which is in immaculate condition. Got the logo there. Wires in the back. Model W32 wall control. And that's about it for the 1995 Casablanca Panama in Snow White.